Managing your projects as a solo freelancer doesn't have to be complicated. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use project management tools to stay organized, hit deadlines, and reduce stress, all with a tool that fits your workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline your tasks with one of the best tools for solo freelancers. We're diving straight into it. First, you need a tool that helps you organize everything in one place. The software we'll be using allows you to create projects, add tasks, and track progress. No more sticky notes or scattered to-do lists. It's all about centralizing your work. Once you've signed up, the first thing you want to do is set up your project. Start by creating a new project, giving it a name, and adding a brief description of what it's about. This is key because it helps you focus on your goal right from the start. The software we'll be using makes it easy to set deadlines and milestones, which means you can visualize the big picture and break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Next, we'll talk about task management. Break down your project into tasks. These are your to-dos. When you add tasks, you can assign deadlines, prioritize them, and even label them based on urgency. The software lets you drag and drop tasks, so if you need to rearrange things, it's simple. You can also add detailed notes to each task, which is really helpful for keeping track of progress and any changes that come up. Now let's talk about collaboration. Even as a solo freelancer, you'll likely need to work with clients or contractors from time to time. The software we'll be using allows you to easily share your project with others. You can set permissions, so your clients can see progress without being overwhelmed by too many details. Time management is a big one. As a solo freelancer, every minute counts. This tool helps you track how long you're spending on each task. You can even set time estimates for each task, so you're always aware of your progress and can avoid overcommitting. This will help you meet deadlines and stay on track, which is critical for keeping your reputation intact. But here's a bonus tip. Automate your reminders. The software we're using sends you notifications when a task is due or when you're getting close to a deadline. This keeps you accountable and ensures you never miss an important task. Finally, at the end of the project, use the software's reporting features to evaluate your performance. You can see how long tasks took, how well you stuck to your schedule, and where you might need to improve. This is a fantastic way to track your growth as a freelancer and improve your processes. Now, I know this might seem like a lot to take in, but the key takeaway here is simple. Using project management tools as a solo freelancer means staying organized, hitting deadlines, and reducing stress. Whether you're managing one project or 5, having a tool that helps you visualize, track, and prioritize tasks is essential. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is available only to viewers of my channel, so it's a great chance to try the software we used today. Let's quickly recap. Set up your project, break it down into tasks, manage your time, collaborate with clients when needed, and use reports to track your progress. With these steps, you're ready to take control of your freelancing career with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.